Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and we're back in the music lab today, guys, with a artist that we haven't listened to. We're here with Bayka, Celebration. Let's get it. Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, the girl them Kisco. We're back in the music lab, and dog. Yeah, see me family. We're back in the music lab with an artist that's no stranger to the channel, but we haven't reacted to him in a minute. You feel me? The last one we reacted to him, I believe, was Tokyo. Did we react to Tokyo? Yeah, I think Tokyo was the last thing we reacted to him, for him. Yeah, and since then we've just been, I guess, a bit busy. But now we're around to it. Now we can get around to it. So now we're gonna react to Bayka and his new song that he dropped today called Celebration. And apparently he dropped a new video. And see me, so I'll check it out and see how I'm going. You don't know Bayka, it's always a vibe. Very different. All that got that deep monotone sound, you know what I'm saying? Deep, very bass heavy type music, but I'll check it out and see how I'm going with Bayka. See me, guys. If you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button. Come on, sub up, man. Sub up. Come on, join the mafia. Join the Don Mafia over here. We taking over YouTube. Come on, bro. You feel me? Yeah, man. JDOG, man. Jambisco down or die. You feel me? JDOD. You feel me? Jambisco down or die. Remember that shit. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get right into the track. This is Bayka Celebration. Let's get it.
Yo, Fuse, one brother music. Feel through, go for them, go for them,
go for them. What the hell is this? Oh, hell no. They ain't gonna do us like that. I know they ain't doing us like that, bro. In the middle of a damn.
You're never responsible for unauthorized purchases on your Discover card.
Celebration.
Yeah, guys, no, we ain't doing that. We ain't rocking like that. But yeah, guys, we ain't gonna hold up a chat much longer. We're gonna jump right in the chat. This is Bayka Celebration. Let's get it.
Yo, Fuse, one brother music. Feel through, go for them. Celebration, I watch it give me away from uptown. They a pop a buckle operation. 1,000 rifle, they a cow linking with the Asian. Quick for boss your face, I mean no need no validation. Hey, and I watch you playing on.
Okay, this a bit more upbeat. You still got the deep bass sound, but it's a bit more upbeat. Alright, little upbeat thing for Bayka. Alright, let's get it.
Just me and on the Ray-Ban in my straight pants. Fuck be a gal, Benz in my floor. The killer rocket like a space man. And if on the rocks, now at the molly we are way on the road and we at roll up a job. Boom, when me get to your star code, man, I catch.
Easy now, man. Yeah, man. This is a mama. Yeah, man. Oh shit. Tickers. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I saw man for round up, man. Jeez, pays, jeez.
Buzzy load up the yacht, coke money that big body gal them a pour pan the yacht. Over time what you
said, big body gal them alone pan the yacht. Yeah, man, we see that, man, mama. Yeah, man, mama Changa. Is a rats? Is a Empress? Eh? I twist up here.
Yeah. Map star that. None of them can stop you wait move up. If a guy ever try never lap, kill you now, can't be blue shot. Oh, do you them up the pan asphalt?
Hey, come here, mama.
God, me not depend on that dark top farm. I'ma just start the God swag. More top up my door, top my dog salt. Max card, then me at the large brother stock tall. Mad brass, them a blast pass, killer exhaust. F-cops.
Mad brass, them a blast pass, killer exhaust. Easy though.
No trespass, I got exhaust. Make walk, come a step cross, get your head down the road and we at roll up a drop. Boom.
Make walk, come a step cross your head. Hey.
When me get to your scar code, man, I crack. Pussy load up the yacht, coke money that.
When me get the Oscars, I code, man, I crack. I want to them. Yeah,
big body gal, them a pour pan the yacht. Over time, what you catch? Map star that. None of them can stop you way to the top.
Say, over time, watch that. Mob star that. None of them can't stop. Hey, can't stop way to the top.
If a guy ever try never lap, kill you now, can't people shot. I celebrate.
I try down laps. Try, don't lapse. You will get it.
Ration, watch it, give me away from my uptown. They a pop a buckle operation. 1,000 rifle, they a call linking with the Asian. Quick for boss your face, I'm in no need no validation. Yelling, I watch you play land, drugs, meal and Ray-Ban in my straight pants. Fuck, be a girl, Benz in my Ford, the killer rocket like a speed.
Yeah, man, like this is fun. This is fun. This are very play on words. You hear that Middle Eastern horn or the Indian beat? It's an Indian type beat. Hey, Bayka be coming with some different sounds. His music, his beats be sounding different. You know, it's on the Middle Eastern in the background. Listen to that.
Yes, man, and the the rocks know what the Mali we are way on the road.
Is that Indian flute? That that's different.
We at roll up a job, boom. When me get to your car, code man a catch. Buzzy load up a yacht, code money that. Big body girl, them a pro on the yacht. Over time watch your clock, no map star that. None of them can stop your way to the top. If I got ever, try never lap.
Try never lapse, be yourself, you. Robo.
You know, car people shot.
What y'all think about this one? Y'all like the vibe on this one? Huh? This is a very nice upbeat vibe, ain't it? It's a party song, definitely, ain't it?
You know, car people shot. When you feel through, go for them.
Go for them. Go for them. Stop. Yeah, man, people want to think about the one, the Bayka, you definitely did your thing on that one. Definitely a fun track. Yeah, man, a upbeat track for the summer. You know what I'm saying? What I told you about that deep bass sound that he be having. You know what I'm saying? But definitely did a thing, a little bit more upbeat than normal. You know what I'm saying? Bayka did a thing. Keep it up, man. Bayka's one of if you're newcomers, you know, you see me, I discovered this guy on social media, man, and ever since then I've been playing his music. You know what I'm saying? So. Yeah, man, Bayka, you're doing your thing, bro. Keep it up. You have a different sound, different genre, and just continue and take it to the top. You know what I'm saying, guys? Let me know what you think about this one. Did y'all like this track? You see me, definitely let me know what your favorite part, and definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know that Jambisco send. You see me, guys, and definitely if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe and become part of the family, become part of the gang, the mafia, dog. We're taking over. You see me, Don Mafia. We are here. We ain't taking. As me coming taking over all YouTube. We're gonna be the biggest reaction channel on YouTube. Remember, I've been saying this in day one. So join and become part of the family so you can be like, yo, I was here when he said he was gonna do that thing. And he did that thing. And we here. You know what I'm saying, guys? But anyway, guys, this boy Jambisco was here now, hitting and smashing up. Bang. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.